It is time for my song of the week.
Oh, man, is it?
And I don't know if you guys know this,
Yeah.
but football here in America is bigger than ever.
Yeah.
Both
it is.
the AFC and the NFC championship games got almost 60 million views each.
Is that why you're dressed like such a man right now, Jeffrey?
It is. I'm really
Travis Kelce.
feeling the testosterone flowing through me today. But years ago, with numbers like that, people would say, oh my God, those are like Super Bowl type of ratings.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah.
But that game hasn't even happened. And why are so many tuning in right now?
Oh, we know.
Is it because the games are just that much more exciting?
I mean,
they are.
They have been really good.
They have been good
Yeah.
Sure, a little bit.
Yeah.
Is it because the biggest stars in sports are playing in them?
Oh, Patrick Mahomes.
Somewhat, sure.
Okay.
Yes.
What media experts and even the NFL acknowledges is the X factor that's taken over the league, known as Taylor Swift.
Yes! Go, Taylor!
And
All right.
even though she's very humble and kind and generous and seems to be an all-around great person,
Yeah.
even she knows that there's going to be millions of people tuning in a week from now just to see her.
Oh, my
Yeah.
God.
And
I know, right?
she's not even performing in any of the shows.
No.
She hasn't even done an interview. She just goes into the booth and everyone goes crazy.
Okay, and everyone has to know right now that Jeffrey is in a long blonde wig.
Oh, yeah, we didn't mention any
Has
of this.
a white and red striped, kind of off the shoulder
What is
tight
that?
shirt
You
happening.
imagine a hotter Taylor Swift?
Yeah.
That's what Jeffrey looks
and
like.
the signature red lips, you're doing it,
Ooh.
Jeff.
The red tutu.
Just something I
Look at
had
that.
lying around at my place, so I thought I'd throw it
Gotta
on.
see the video.
So for all those people who are angry about Taylor, saying that she's ruining the sport with
so
her
dumb.
44 seconds of combined airtime,
Yeah.
they need to suck it up and
That's
learn
right.
to live with the fact that Taylor Swift runs the NFL now, and nobody cares about the actual game anymore.
Thank you, Jeffrey. I'm just waiting for the cutaway.
That's why, instead of singing her big hit, rooting for the anti-hero,
Oh.
it's
Her
young
song.
Jeffrey's Watch Me Hug in Super Slo-Mo.
Oh, I like it. They do a lot of those videos.
Sure,
Yeah.
once the song goes, it'll make sense.
Yeah, I like
The
it.
rhyme isn't perfect in the title, but you'll see. Anyway,
Okay.
I'm going to point when I'm ready. Here we go. Points. Some people think this game's about the Chiefs and 49ers, but we all know that isn't true. Cause there's a reason every time that Travis scores a touchdown, the camera pans to you-know-who. I've sold out football stadiums just like this. My ticket prices cost twice as what this game entices. Guess I'm just people keep screaming, believing, thinking the NFL scheming. Cause after every completion, the spotlight shines on me. Hi, I'm the girlfriend, that's me. At game time in the luxury suites. Don't show the replay of that one-handed catch that the player did. You'd rather watch me hug my boyfriend's mom in super slow-mo.
Look at that perfect form on that high five from Taylor.
You tell your friends you only watch the game 'cause it's in Vegas. You say the prop bets are a thrill. But your only wagers if Trav mentions my name with the trophy or pops the question on the field. I've heard the blatant male chauvinism crying about feminism. I'm richer than all of them. You find my cheering displeasing, but there's no way you're conceiving the love my tight end's receiving when we lock eyes. TV tries, but they cannot find me. I'm behind a shirtless Jason Kelsey. Nowhere to hide, not even when they break for advertisement. Since my boyfriend stars in over half the Super Bowl commercials.
Travis Kelce shakes it off with Core Power Protein Shakes by Pfizer.
I had a dream that at the halftime show all of the Swifties decide to rise up and rebel. Usher says yeah, but they say nah, we'd rather hear more Taylor and crown me queen of the NFL. Post-game time, trophy ceremony, they're saying I'm named the game MVP. Okay, fine. All the players agree, even Coach Andy Reid. Each week, climb record TV ratings. It could be my lucky number 13. After the game, I'll whisper secrets in my boyfriend's ears. It must be confusing having all your wives be into football.
Jeffrey Swift, you did so good.
Oh, so good, bro.
Can't wait for the big game.
Oh, dude, I love Taylor on the screen. It really makes me happy.
I know so many girls are like bonding with their dads. They never watched football. Now they are. It's awesome.
I will admit, I wasn't a big fan of it. I thought it was also like kind of distracting, but now like I'm 100% behind
Dude, they're
Team
so
Taylor.
cute. Aren't they so cute?
Let her be happy
But
for her boyfriend.
honestly, could we have one commercial without Travis Kelce in it?
I know.
Like,
he's
what
in
is he
everything.
not endorsing right now?
I know.
It is unbelievable.
It's the power of Taylor.
Yes.
I say good for him.